Okay, so do you know what day is it today? Today is World Environment Day. Every year on the 5th of June, we celebrate all over the World Environment Day, a day where people are made more aware of what is happening in and around them in their environment. Okay, our environment is what and where we are living. For example, the trees, the plants, the animals around us, they all make our environment. Okay, and you might be thinking that you just stay inside your house, so what effect can you have on your environment? But keep this in mind that every single thing that we do has an impact on the environment. Sometimes the impact is good, but most of the time it's bad. Okay, so every year they keep a theme for the World Environment Day, and this year the theme is biodiversity. Now, I know most of you, most of you may be hearing this word for the first time. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is nothing. It's just that the Earth has thousands, millions of trees, species of trees, insects, birds, animals living together, and humans. Together we make biodiversity. Okay, this all these together are called biodiversity. Now, in biodiversity, each and every um, element plays a very important role. For example, there are humans, there are plants, uh, there are trees, there are insects, there is aquatic life. All these are supposed, all of us, we make biodiversity together, which means that uh, even if a single thing is lost, it can affect the remaining parts. Okay, for example, the number of bushfires that have happened, and then the cyclones that we are seeing, then the level of pollution that is increasing all over the world, whether it's air pollution, whether it's water pollution, the ice in the poles that is melting, all this together, what is happening? We are actually destroying the environment. Okay, our actions are actually destroying the environment. uh, as air pollution, or uh, as air pollution rises, the earth's temperature is also going to increase. The earth is going to become hotter and hotter, and when the earth becomes more hot, there will be more melting of ice. This ice will go into the rivers, and then there will be more climate change. Okay, see, we live in a very small part of the earth, so you may for us, we are lucky enough that we did not face any of those things yet. But then, um, as time goes on, we are going to see more and more drastic changes. And one of the main reasons that destroying biodiversity is us human beings and our lifestyle. Okay, it's not humans, it's not plants, it's us. We are doing that. So World Environment Day, this theme has been kept so that people can become more aware of are what they are doing, what their actions, what kind of damage their actions, our actions, are causing the environment to collapse. Okay, every single thing is important. You may not know this, but then every single thing, even the simple mm, coral reef, I cannot call it simple. It's a very big and complex life ecosystem that lives there. Now, uh, do you know that the coral reefs that are found in Australia, they took thousands of years to form, and because of pollution, the coral reefs are getting damaged. And if they get damaged, that entire ecosystem, that entire those and all these life forms are going to die. This is just one example. There have been so many incidents of the animals getting extinct because they were killed too many. India was a country which had thousands of tigers many years ago, but then they were killed at such a fast rate that now we have tigers which we can actually count on your fingertips. We have only a few thousand tigers left. So this is how we are damaging biodiversity. So you might be wondering, what can you do on your part? uh, you can do something very simple as try to use more Try to use less plastic. You know that plastic causes pollution. Okay, it pollutes water, it pollutes soil, it never gets mixed up in the soil. So what you can do is you buy less plastic, you will create less plastic waste. So try to use reusable things. Try to use bags which you can reuse again and again, not plastic bags. Try to use bottles that are not made of plastic, or that you can reuse again and again. Okay, so save electricity, save water. There are so many other things. We should not cut down trees. Okay, these are just a few steps that you can take to do your part. Okay, so that will be all for today. Have a good day.